How to get better entries while trading? Let's go. Multiple time frame analysis is an essential tool for traders. By looking at multiple time frames, you can get a broader look at the market as a whole. For example, if you are only looking at the USD index on the 1 hour time frame, you may have seen a key level of support and thought that it's a good time to go long. However, if you had looked at the 15-minute time frame, you would have avoided a loss and seen that the price had already gone far below those support levels. The moral of the illustration is that you need an additional time frame for confirmation. A good rule of thumb is to use 2 time frames to trade, depending on your trading preferences, of course. For traders with deep pockets, using the 1-day and weekly time frame can be very useful. The weekly time frame can be used to see the general trend, and the daily time frame can be used to confirm your entry. However, it is important to note that having a trading strategy is very crucial. I mean, you can't base your trade solely on time frames and your zodiac sign. It's like making crystal meth without methylamine. Now, for legal purposes, I do not condone the production or distribution of illicit drugs. By using multiple time frames, you can get a more complete picture of the market, and you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. It's a simple yet powerful technique that every trader should incorporate into their trading routines. Stop revenge trading. If you experience losses, learn from them, understand why they failed, use that information to improve and move on. Always keep in mind that each time you entered a trade, you did that with the best entry you could find, because you can't have a 100% win rate in Forex. But if your trades keep failing, then it's time to reevaluate your trading strategy and approach. Don't be discouraged by losses. They are inevitable in trading. Also, it is important to know you should not re-enter trades to try and get back what you lost. It's a terrible practice. This is Forex. If you want a rematch, you could go to join the UFC. Discipline is the key when it comes to successful entries. While it may seem like an easy concept to grasp, it's actually quite challenging to maintain a level of discipline required to succeed. However, if you can become a disciplined trader, you'll be better than most traders, both experienced and newbies alike. This is because humans are wired to seek out the easiest paths to perceived success, which often leads to inconsistencies in trading. It's not uncommon for traders to abandon their trading strategy at the first glance of a more attractive one. For example, a fancy supply and demand strategy promising a 3 million % return may seem like a better option, causing a trader to abandon their current strategy and throw it away in the garbage can like you're trying to score a 3-pointer in the NBA playoffs. This is bad because every strategy has a different means of finding entries. And because of that, each time you change the strategy you're already using, you're going to have to find a way of, getting good entries. I hope you can see where I'm heading with this. Now, I know I haven't talked about how to be a disciplined trader, and that all boils down to the rules you set for yourself. The rules you set for yourself are what will make, not just the rules you set for yourself, the rules you set for yourself will make your trading strategy / routine. For you to become a disciplined trader, you would have to be able to follow those rules you set very strictly. You follow them down to the last letter, okay? That's basically it. That's just how to be a disciplined trader. When you make your trading strategy, when you form your trading strategy, then you follow it religiously. And on paper, that's actually very easy, but it's much more difficult to do. So instead of jumping from strategy to strategy, the key is to study as much as possible with the goal of making each trade seamless, which will include getting good entries, of course. Backtest your strategies and use a demo account to practice until you are confident enough to open a real account and continue executing your genius plan. It is important to remember that you should never change your trading plan unless you're sure it has become obsolete. Sticking to your trading plan and maintaining discipline is one of the most important keys to long-term success in trading. So that will be it for this video. Like and sub if you enjoyed the video, and have a nice day.